Okay, it's definitely been summer for a week now, but I've been like crazy busy packing, moving, fulfilling some previous commitments I had made. And now I'm all set. I've done all my things, and I'm ready to go. I am headed towards Arkansas tomorrow. But before I went, I was like, okay, I have to go to the library so that I'm not super bored on the drive, and because it's like a 17-hour drive. Like 11 hours to Tennessee and then another 6 hours to Arkansas. And I I needed hiking shoes so I could break them in. You know, I have like a month before I'm going to Colorado. So, I am all set now. I now have my own Chacos, because everybody loves their Chacos, right? And I can stop walking around in like these really bad old sandals that I have. And I got some hiking boots, and they're orange, which is a nice little bonus. Plus, the REI sales guide was really helpful. As it turns out, my right foot is half a size bigger than my left foot. But easy solution, layer the socks. As for the drive tomorrow, I got some Paulo Coelho on CD. Yeah. It's even better because I have started reading The Witch of Portobello, but I haven't been able to finish it, and then I had to put it into storage, so now I get to finish it. I also got A Long Way Gone, Memories of a Boy Soldier, and another thing by Ewan Colfer, but it has Arthur Dent in it. So that's exciting. They did have Anna Karenina, which was 34 hours, which is the drive to Arkansas and back. But I was like, the Tolstoy or 4 other books. So we went with 4 other books. Anyway, I'll be in Arkansas soon. Yay! And I'll get to, you know, ukote ilo kajimajo. And kada kan kakasoro ka ba ilo kajin. So that'll be great. Hopefully I'll meet some people and be able to network, and other people will be interested in the magazine, Jambo. And we'll get that really going. I still have like a ton of people to contact for that, and, you know, grant applications to fill out and get the website up and get stories. I need stories. But I think when I'm in Arkansas, I'll meet people and they'll write stories. And I know they're writing in Majuro, and, you know, hopefully we'll get some stories from Evi too, and Hawaii later when the school year starts and stuff. So I'm really, really, really excited. But there is like so much to do, and I'm like, okay, well, first things first, I should drive to Arkansas, and I can't be reading and writing when I'm driving. And I had to pack first, I had to move, and I had to one step at a time. The way will become clear one step at a time. Oh, but to be fair, I will be traveling, not taking everything with me, right? So these will probably not be edited, and they will probably just get uploaded from my phone to YouTube. But yeah, follow my crazy nomadic summer, / in a car, / on people's sailboats, / in the mountains. So it'll be a great summer. Really, really great summer.